Okay.
Me too.
And hear me, because you have to know a lot of lessons or stuff by heart.
Okay. Very good. Yeah, you just bear with it. Since you want to listen Chanju's self introduction? You want
Uh,
to listen? Nga khosarta. You want to listen or not?
yes, I want to.
Yes. Okay, Chanju, can you read once for your
Okay,
class?
잠깐만.
Into Wepe, I would teach you some sentence to that you enjoying Mutish, but I didn't see your spelling. Can you? Nija Toyomara. Okay, in that, Chanju in that.
Okay. Hello, my name is Tenzin Changchup. I am 15 years old. My zodiac sign is Virgo and my Chinese zodiac sign is Rooster. I was born in India, Himachal Pradesh. Grew up in Bir and I joined TCB school Gopalpur when I was 8 or 9 years old. But now I live in France, Lille, since 2017. I live with my parents and my two little brother and little sister who are both twins. They are actually 10 years old. My parents are from Tibet, southeast Tibetan area Kamside. They both born in Tibet and grew up there. Now I am in third grade. That means 10th grade in India. So next year I will be in high school. So my hobbies are playing games, watching animes, and drawing. Of the two, I love learning new language and I want to learn a few more. At present, I learning Spanish at school, Japanese and Chinese at home. That's it. That's it. And my aims are to become a designer, stylish, or a flight attendant. Attendant. Thank you.
Okay, very good, very good. Spout. Yeah, what teacher team this can do?
Beatrice.
Susanna.
Yes, Nisa Gepe teacher. You did your homework and you did also like Tanangte Yorotida. Your sentence structures are quite well. Ine inchi kadutine what ni karetongstana. Kini more mixed chanju like injinalia. Kage pe mambudo kage lana our normal conversational English la
Oh,
먼저 거기서 라 가게를 표현할 가게라는 먼저 남기 튀기네야 기지시디 표시다 아닌데요라.
oh,
onde pema so when you writing now when you write English essay or something you shouldn't allow to use kage normal conversational dinde luna ya ningjamo yomar.
okay.
Yes, for example you said that's it lad in the da.
Okay.
That's it. There's a much we are using in normal conversation. Na pijitangira.
Oh,
Ra. That's
oh,
it, lad. Or instead of that's it, you have to put a full stop. Ra. Full stop.
mm,
Kya and then my aim and start again. China ya ya queer.
oh yeah.
So we'll learn all those things. Ra.
Mm,
I think we have to make a WhatsApp group, right? Since I WhatsApp group those suna,
mm,
we can share our writings. Can to writing lang I'll share and I'll make correction. Ra, can no do nang yete yora.
That's it.
okay.
Just if you show me like this and the rote why not say what shatung minda.
Oh,
So kwa nori make correct chitung mar. Okay, so nganzo kisi WhatsApp group post na we can share our information, our ideas, tra nganzo ideas share information share. We can do a lot of things. Can so maybe can so ki kiwa sambola kisi stila. Is it
mm,
okay if we create a WhatsApp group with gela lab zinda kiwa pu? Do you?
That's it, you know.
Okay, so on the basic English grammar, first thing on the sentence so that But in a both of you make quite well sentences. Sentence ya ko sudra. In a sentence the thunda main khara sentence the word chik ta mandanyam to le de ne ani thunda yu jo sunye shora. Thunda yu jo sunye na what the sentence la or strike. For example, sentence is a group of words which make sense. Sense sui na and this sentence rest. Sentence now we follow these rules. SVO like rules to follow sure. Sentence always start with subject. Subject che. Dine kimala verb. Dine object. Subject lana daga chepa bo de chepa bo. Ani dikha chawa. Chawa lana. Anzo we action word lara action verb. Object lana ani ngompo khari ne ra. Then Shashna here, for example, Hindu dekha the subject set. Hindu loves ice cream. Dinal verb khaida.
Loves.
Loves, loves the verb. Verb lana. Chawa chi just don't got action verb. Then Shashna eat la the verb ra.
J'ai.
Verb the subject the object shingi bethamu.
Shingi.
Verb di shingu.
Subject lana chepa bol le a chigen chura. If I say the book is thick, lana.
The book.
Okay, the book is thick, lana. Tina lo le ya subject khair to.
The book.
But is there any verb?
Is.
Tina verb yomar because verb lana chawa chi just ngora. It's just
Is.
yes. Is the helping verb? Helping verb. Is minda. It's just giving you a help. Tanganzu tina le ya chawa chi again chawa sha chi go mar but is the khachu gore. The thet ti tu ko yore la ya chu ko mishna mi shiwa ra na mi shiwa ro ra. Thagas tyung gor me shia chawa chi go mar. Ine dinalo subject dikhare.
The book.
The book like the subject chawar. Okay. Okay. Now if I give you can tirna timbe. Okay, I'll give you few more verb kashistora. You need to make a sentence for that. So give sentence to tadila. Sweet. Hello. Sweet, can you?
Seguir,
Okay.
Get a paid on a color.
Pay là nó chịu à?
Yeah. Okay.
Chịu à? You pay salary for something. You pay something for someone. I can't get tiền là chỗ đó. I pay. Pay là gì? Thế sao ấy na paid rồi đó. P-A-I-D.
Okay.
Pay là nó chịu à? I pay. I have to pay. Rằng I chịu rồi là chỗ đó. Chịu à lo. Chịu à là.
걔랑 언제디 past tense 다는데 쓰나 do you rap just now paid 로다 이나
No.
아니 present
Look,
tense
yeah, you have to write in present tense. This is some hate, pay, share, do, eat, dance, swim. These some I just gave in a present tense now, Shada. So you have to write in present tense.
디자인이라
Okay, learn to like hang us lota.
hate I hate when people make fun of me.
Hmm.
I pay for my school.
I pay for my school, okay?
If you share your story, it will become a hit.
Okay.
Do what you love and love what you do.
Wow.
I eat my breakfast.
Hmm.
I hate to dance because I'm not flexible.
Okay.
I love to swim. Do you snore when you sleep?
Yes. Chanchu line da. Your sentences are quite well. Chanju line da.
Nga 참았어.
It's okay. Kaja pod chajo in this line da.
Nga 시민도 주자매 탄다.
Shibodlo ra.
Okay.
It's fine.
My little sister hate watching anime.
Okay.
I pay clothes to my friend.
Okay.
I share my laptop with my parents.
Okay.
I eat chocolate
Okay.
and sauce.
That's that. Okay. That okay. That can the correct central like sentence nalia. He followed rules. Pair case. Look, SVO rules. Subject plus verb plus object. Yora.
Yes.
The rules per application, you know the rules, I guess. So singular plural like mean that sentence nala. Finish na you don't have to put s after verb. I love slander. I hate slander. I is a special guest here. Can you sentence need a sentence ya but I'm just giving you those information for sentence thing basic grammar first you need to know this
Yes.
I is a special guest
Okay.
so special guest into the I jela you don't have to put s cause is that I the singular yeah tang sentence khadi in a singular kasi subject is singular ina subject is singular anachik ina you have to put s after verb. Put s after verb. What is that? Are you listening?
Yes.
That the country slower. Penetration I the special guest. I the singular I after I can verb toslena. You are not allowed to put s because I is a special guest here. Then now could you s shower when your subject is singular? When he do na he. If your verb is eat, he eat ice cream nana your sentence de there
Mindu.
minda so this subject is a singular if the subject is a singular you should put s after verb.
Yes.
If the subject is a plural kasi subject the plural ina de ro na mi mangbo ki shigda de kasi subject if your subject is plural you should not put s after verb. They eat ice cream. You have question. We love to watch movie. We love to watch movie. So yeah, because we is a plural. Rami on book is shida. We la di tamba mini dansum le ma yora. So after we in a detail ya sub verb in a verb kijela you shouldn't put s. Kachane because we already talked about many people over here. But if the subject is singular, you have to put s after verb. What's this?
That's it. My the S get the chick pudilaro. He, she, it.
Yes. He, she, it, and the ming, you know. Ming, me, ming, because singular lati tamba chick kitche waraya.
Yeah. Yes.
Me, ming, such a ming do ya. Tang also noun ya ming ye na the ming chick do ya jo and na. If talking about semchin chick or rashi ne, you have to write.
And
Okay. The okay, see.
no S.
Some hint that you have to keep in your mind. This is a basic grammar.
Yes.
Tanda kyanzu sentence ya ko pe thishara. But people usually those people who learned sentence so that they follow with the comfortable or not ra. Man che khachi lana inchi lash mi de so gyana comfortable do mi de ta ne ya inchi de sur ra. Manche people don't use the rules follow chima but they rules le or khachina na because it's comfortable for them kyansu gyadu tamba comfortable do so inchi gyadu tamba comfortable do comfortable itu number in sentence structure is also correct chat orangsi. Have you ever learned SVO subject plus verb plus object in the jaimba? You learned, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. Can't you look at Laporende?
Lapkiro.
Nice.
Gela?
La? Yes. Okay, tell me.
Dundra shuma detail and present slash past perfect simple continuous land. The duration, yeah. Shita go to myself.
You have examined.
Oh.
Khare.
Past
Past.
Or present perfect simple or continuous.
Present perfect.
Simple.
Continuous.
Yes.
Okay. Interesting.
Sab passant.
Right here, Lara. Okay, we have class on Monday, Ra.
Yes.
Monday, Lada. So Monday, Langazo. Tenses, China, Dani.
Let's see.
Okay, Monday, we are going to learn tense. Okay, tenses, China. The Monday, you have to come with the tenses. Taring also sub sentence, Sasa. Sentence mean the Tagara Re. Another important thing is sentence Khatu Kotsune Ra. Khatu Kotsune Khane Kotsure.
Subject.
Oh. Sentence always start with a capital letter and ends
with
Subject.
full stop.
Doesn't it like
Punctuation,
punctuation?
We
like
learned punctuation, right? But in the sentence also it's same rules. Sentence always starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. So you have to know about it. I'm not going to teach you more per sentence because can't you just sentence Okay, next punctuation punctuation but for you I will revise once. Do you want to teach this to your
Punctuation가 신경 써.
Shingibe?
The full stop 다든데 너 말해 고마다 아니
Yes.
question mark 다든지.
Yes. Okay. Yes, how I guess the answer there. Okay, 당부 되는 카라. Punctuation 당부 돼?
Full
No, capital letter. Hundula, we'll learn that one, right?
Yes.
punctuation nala first capital letter kalana nganju sentence khadi sewa ine you need to write start with the capital letter and ends with a full stop line. Yeah,
Yes.
that's why I need to make it. Yeah. Capital letter. Right? Can you tell? I mean, explain to your classmate.
A punctuation is used to create a sentence. You use it to structure and like organize your sentence to make it better to read.
Yes. Punctuation they can so hard sentence so that shingora. Chanjula. You know how to make sentence. You know how to write the essay, right? The punctuation will help you make it beautiful and make it more organized. Can give sentence the koala stop chore. Koala needs surprised chore. Koala you have to show your question mark. Koala toward all yeah. So punctuation will do all those emotions. Your emotions sama punctuation na your because punctuation ge Quran ge ta chik chisa we sugar people will read after that right finish na why like if you even if you write why he is not working routine if you didn't put the question mark then it won't be a question to him ras question chau mara question mark de le mena if punctuation na like if question mark the chin people will read like a question question dolora yes so punctuation gila khare it will sense you the can to color your trying to be writing the sense layer or more emotional you go to yeah what's that so
Yes.
punctuation of first the capital letter the khadi chura
The beginning of a sentence.
beginning yes beginning of the
Sentence.
sentence and name of the person name of place these are beginning of the sentence name of the person name of the place name of country any yeah this samala you have to write capital letter
Yes.
any your yes 12 months
I have 12 months.
yes Amma, you have to write capital letter at the beginning
And the days they are not in capital letter, right?
yes
No.
next punctuation
Question mark, I think.
I think we have punctuation notes in here, right? Okay, wait. Gela isang mea circuit go just. Yeah. Tunggu there. Okay, this is our punctuation class first today. Introduction of punctuation. Capital letters. We use capital letters for names, for example, Tenzing, Joma, Mary, England, Swiss, Latin, Samala. We have to write in capital letter.
Yes.
And dawa chunni shura months January, February, March, April, May, June. That summer you have to write in capital letter. Days of week Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Like capital letter nature.
Yes.
At the beginning of sentence, khatu kotu word you have to write in capital letter. For example, after I like apples, jela full stop gada.
Huh.
Full stop gada na you are going to start another sentence. Sentence shamba shikozo ora. So you have to write in capital letter, yeah. For
Miss,
example, if Tenzing likes apple, the daily na. I like apple. Tenzing like apple, you have to write capital letter. Tenzing, Yamana he likes a banana do tiwa, you have to put he here. Finish na here. Tadi 100 lao lana. Tadi kela blackboard ritala. Finish
yes.
na. Tenzing likes apple lawaina. After full stop, you have to start with the capital letter, yeah. Capital letter start chota. He loves to. Yeah, full stop jala, yeah, you have to write capital letter. Sometime lana, yeah. As the capital letter chasu chamas.
Chasu.
Huh.
Ah, okay, this part. Chao china. So sentence growth have sugar full stop jagora. Full stop jela you have to start with a capital letter. What's this?
Yes.
Yes.
But Miss, isn't I always also in a capital letter?
Wait. Not who because we're not to tell you that.
I don't know.
It's so noisy here. You need to wait this one. That's going to last soon.
Isn't I always in a capital letter?
Yes, I always capital letter. I dikhatu in a capital letter too.
Yes.
Okay, and next is there. After full stop, you have to start with capital letter. Ali postcode tan deda. Oh, did you postcode kasangmaya? You have to write capital letter nal tourist. So these are the capital letter rules. Punctuation now first dira. What is that?
Yes.
And Lundu la will learn or it is a can revise to chat that then Changju like na. What is that?
Huh.
Okay. Next day, punctuation marks used in writing to separate parts of sentences. Sentences are separate suresta and make the meaning clear. Then punctuation comma, exclamation mark, and a hyphen, a full stop, question mark, semicolon, zero. Look here. Period. Period lana, it's a full stop. Full stop is a dot that makes the end of the sentence. Sentence the so what you go full stop chigawa after this sentence your madela ra.
Yes.
Sentence the dine de bodu also large ya or the full stop kitungo. For example, the dog sat on the grass. Full stop. The dog sat on the grass. Kiditsangala desha la ora.
Yes.
So sentence dine those are there's no other sentence left. Yomar. The weather today is very warm. Full stop. I don't like to eat mustard. Full stop. There are too many leaves on that tree. Full stop. Sentence dine zoin. Full stop shows that the sentence ends here. Dine zoin la. You understood?
Yes, Miss.
Exclamation mark. Exclamation mark lana 100 ho jada. Kadu use chigor.
Excited to December.
Yes. Any excitement you did number 100 ho see 100 ho use chor.
Oh my God. No.
Yes, oh my
Wow.
God. Yes, wow, yes. What did you remember? You have to use that mark, exclamation mark. Ra, wow, help, no. Sometimes shenang do ye chedu tamba you say help, ew, like that.
Oh.
You somebody susu color. Kishu chimpo kan la ora. You're showing your excitement. Shenang that everybody everything together. Ra. Sometimes shena you have to put this exclamation mark because you're surprised. Something like excitement chuko mare you're surprised also. So did you guys say you have to use this mark? Okay, question mark the
Chua dang samba.
yes, tiwa tangdu. So tiwa khani ini yong sit tiwa most of
How
the
are you?
tiwa. Yes, how neko zure, what neko zure, where neko zure, when neko zure, is neko zure, do neko zure, does neko zure. So whenever these are on the first sentence thangbo like this, but they are always question, ra. Questioning, but then also you have to put question mark at the end of the sentence. Sentence jema jema dile you have to put question mark kya What is that? Comma. Comma दिखाती फिर से और Central line da. Comma खाती फिर से
It helps you when you have a tool, you have like you make a conjunctions, like you conjunct like two sentences.
Yes, yes. Yes, comma tinggal tu ya ni ya mana su mampu cie you have to use comma. Penasasna I love boxing, my family and my dog. Kenal mampu nyam tu a list of items you have to say together. Nyam tu lau your sentence should be not like I love boxing and my family and my dog. Nying cemu deh. Minda. So instead of and they will put comma. Comma dikha raha mainly and the chik parta.
Okay.
And the chipper ra. Comma di kharisho chugolana. Your sentence is not that boring. Boring make you think good. I love boxing, comma, my family, comma, and my dog. Sentence ning je doa. Yes. So you have instead of using and in every item, ra item really jelaya and manja wache you if you use comma, your sentence will be more structured and more pretty and excitement. For example, here also Tenzing, comma, children, comma, Alex and Pelsang are my friend. And instead of saying Tenzing and children and Alex and Pelsang are my friend, they use comma here. What is that?
Don't
So,
we use like the and when you are very annoyed?
yeah. So and don't what your sentence is boring. Mishamba kodu enyambo your they will get tired of your and also.
Yes.
So instead of and kyangi sentence the kesi pyeju ning je mu tang ni thwe na and you can use comma the pyeju tang or ko se sa for example thanda kyan su ni ge the thida essay writing do myself kan thida so instead of saying I love basketball and football and tennis ball and something instead of and you can put comma I love basketball comma football and tennis ball on this nira. Got it? Colon, the semicolon, when we have to use it.
You like a colon, you use it when you introduce a list of things there were so many people in his house and then like column and there was Sona, me,
Yes.
those.
Yeah. Yes, colon de khadu use chola na pena susna kinalia chala mangpuchi la ming la na ra mangpuchi la na thambu ko ra kinange start with kinange ngala ya nyegi nangi duin la ya ni mi mangpuch tu ani mi susura can you have to use mi mangpuch ti do la sabe shoko you have to use that colon and then you have to write all the names of person is a mi sangma thi by using comma the position you have to write all the names here Ra. Instead of say that Denzing, Basang, Drogash, Sherab, all of them are on, in front of my house. So instead of saying that, in front of him were the following. And do. You have to use that colon and then you have to write all the names. What is that?
Yes.
Semicolon de. Chanju, what is that? Chanju.
Oh,
Yeah, what is the colon?
colon라.
Ah.
너야 보고 숨었어.
Colon colon is the punctuation mark consisting of two dots one over the other. Dot ni chinjoji and the colon lana and the roger tungide. Kela yede duguzuda on the roger. Colon de kadu and pujitangolana. If you have a list of things to say together, kyanlia chala mangbush nyam to lai na. Penasashna chanju gi duin la ya chala dinde du la ya. Also, Chanju gi duin la let's have a sugar after Chanju gi duin la you have to use that colon de puje che and then kirang gi duin la chala khar kar do the book pen mobile laptop then je ming tu ya so colon is when you have list of things to introduce kya ya chala mangpush introduce che you na you have to use that colon finish na for example for example in front of him were the following and colon mince pies, holly, and other delicious delight. And it Go to that. Okay. Semicolon, Lana. Semicolon, Lana. It's like this. Kala dorche wala koma ikechur. Kala dorche wala koma ikechur. Semicolon dikhachi gire. Semicolon ke also कोई end की लगा चुको end ला जाएगा and 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 the sentence the and lunang sentence ring bucha do da so instead of putting and they use semicolon a sentence ni gap the chung tangir look at here let's go to the library to study it's the only place where I can fully concentrate and there okay semicolon you have to use like a because lado da and lado da therefore lado da oh dige it's up la pichitangor for example here Pinashashna there let's go to the library to study because it's the only place where I can fully concentrate lada instead of this delanganishna because it's a long word long word in the number it will give you quite I mean it will take quite space chimbo simgira dela so space chimbo masimachito they use semicolon here and sentence ni gap chung tang sa go to sa go to sa tang bo ya go chin lad kina go mazuna you have to say it because can they jangalera
semicolon lade siabogo tumaso shimbargo
semicolon okay semicolon lade therefore because lade ya semicolon de chita nenga su sentence ki gap de chung ta chi do phe tang go go tang bo de go sa sentence ki gap to make the gap between two sentences to make it shorter chinchi suya chi do pena chasna nga ani and that nga ani pigela dugi sta basketball thanding andel dugi sky sena basketball thanding ala da mi mangbo yore en chemo sidi tamba kiu yore like kai sena la ja so kai sena lana because like instead of because we put this mark the lu re because mark the lu na khachire sentence ki gap chung dur ko se sa mark the khari indicate chigore this such de la khachin drogowa this such de la khachin drogowa odi gumzen di wala tengwa tengor for example da ko indela sanga library la option cha drawings khachin la na ani o de la da nga ta khadu ne thona ya shuti thu du la da ya so This semicolon the harchin is the knowledge because like the it's because or therefore because like this what is that? Okay, to introduce a new complete sentence with words such as however, nevertheless, therefore, for example, like sama, you have to use semicolon. Semicolon the young some can I delay your rest there. However, like that, however. That number you can also use semicolon. Nevertheless, that number you have to use semicolon. Therefore, let the semicolon. For example, let the semicolon. So you have to use semicolon in all those words also. Go Susa.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Go Machana, you have to ask Lundu because they learned already. Sama Jangsa de. Can get Lundu like Gestina to work. Gela Ilapio Komasna. You can go back to Lundu and ask Lundu Karakare. Can sometimes ya Zinde Bupa to Geshina. Inji Yashinger, Inji Lane Lopson in a Karinera. How to get it is some Yashinger. Okay. Okay, any answers in the so and we'll meet you in Monday.
Yes.
Monday, let's go Monday lang